Benjamin Brantley's family walked out of Recorder's Court this morning, visibly upset their son was denied bond. Brantley was charged with murder, possession of a sawed-off shotgun, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. Police say he shot 16-year-old Kayla Castro in the chest inside his Wellborn Drive home over the weekend. Now, Brantley and his family say that Kayla's death was an accident. Brantley tells police he was walking into the bedroom where Kayla was sitting with a shotgun in one hand and tried to close the door with his other hand. That's when he says the gun accidentally discharged. But in court this morning, the judge said he couldn't bump down the charges to involuntary manslaughter because it is a felony to possess a sawed-off shotgun.
In order for it to be involuntary manslaughter, the underlying charge has to be a misdemeanor, and by Georgia law, possession of a sawed-off shotgun is a felony, so therefore involuntary manslaughter is not really an option in this case.
John Martin is not involved in this case, but says because possession of a sawed-off shotgun is a felony, Brantley faces a felony murder charge.
But then you have to further show that the doing of the felony itself caused a foreseeable risk of harm, which I think that will be the argument as to that it obviously did create harm to be walking around the house with a loaded sawed-off shotgun.
Detectives testified this morning that ballistic tests on the shotgun revealed it was unlikely the gun was discharged on its own. But Brantley tells police he loved his girlfriend of over a year and didn't know the gun was loaded. Brantley's family sat in court this morning wearing t-shirts that said "Free Benny" on the front and "R.I.P. Kayla" on the back. Meanwhile, friends and the community continue to mourn the Hardaway High School student's death. Kayla's grandfather tells me his granddaughter was a beautiful girl and will be missed by friends and family. Her friends continue to post on a memorial Facebook page saying things like, quote, "You are so beautiful and you are an amazing person. How could something like that happen to someone so wonderful?" End quote. But in some posts, friends expressed disapproval over the relationship between Brantley and Castro. For Georgia First News, I'm Sarah Belsel.